Hello everyone. Let's learn about JavaScript's cookies capabilities today. Using JavaScript, developer can read, create, update, and delete cookies. Advantage of using cookies over local storage is that cookies can be read through backend code also when compared with local storage, which can only be read through front-end JavaScript. Let's dive into the code to have a closer look. First, let's get all the cookies set for this site. We can get that using the JavaScript redefined variable document.cookie. So right now we don't have any cookie set for this site. Let's set a new one. So a cookie is nothing but a name value pair, just like your local storage variable. So here you can see the new cookie that we set has the name of user ID, the value of mjuliet. Now we can also set a cookie with an expiry time. So to set a cookie with an expiry time of say 5 minutes, let's first create a time date variable. So it's giving an error because I used it earlier. Now let's set a time of 5 minutes. So we get the current time, and then 5 minutes into 1000 represents 1 second. So to set the expiry time, you have to pass this expires is equal to the time set for expiry and the path. The path is for us, we are setting the root path. So here we have set a new cookie called employee ID with a value, and it has an expiry. You can see the expiry date is of 1 AM India Standard Time. 1 AM 8 minute 31 seconds. So some points to remember over here. If you set a cookie with the same name again, then it would overwrite the existing cookie. Let's look at this. So we had set the first cookie as mjuliet. Let's set it as mjuliet1, and let's print all the cookies. We can see it has overwritten the earlier user ID cookie with the new value. And if you want to delete a cookie, set an expiry date and time in the past. This is a small function to show all the side cookies. So basically, cookies are name value pairs and separated by semicolon. So to print them all in a nicely formatted manner, we have this function, show all side cookies. Then let's run this function. So it shows us the name value pair of each of the cookie. So there's a small issue in this code. Anyone who catches it, their comment will be pinned in this video. In this panel, you can see all the cookies set for this site. Also, you can see that the cookie set through JavaScript can be read in PHP. So here, if we check if the cookie has been set, it was set in JavaScript called user ID. If it is set, then we print it out over here. We just add PHP so that we know it's coming from PHP. Also, we are setting a new cookie over here from PHP, and that should get added to the cookies which have been set through JavaScript. Let's run this. You can see over here, PHP is printing the cookie that we had set through JavaScript is a user ID. And also it has set its own cookie called PHP user ID. That way, the cookie set through PHP can be read through JavaScript, and the one set through JavaScript can be read in PHP or any other backend. Let's see in JavaScript. Let's try to print this. You can see the PHP cookie can be read through JavaScript also. We have covered everything related to cookies in JavaScript. Hope you find it useful and are able to use it in your next project. Thanks for watching. Take care.